Hey, what's up guys? Alien Rides here. Today we are going to check out a crazy electric scooter. We're going to go take a look at the Rion dual motor electric scooter. This is a $5,000 electric scooter built for racing and high speeds. It's a super sexy, lightweight electric scooter. We're going to go on a little ride around San Francisco and see how it does. I'm super interested in the scooter. I have some concerns about the range of it, but overall it looks to be a really nice platform, and I'm super happy to see these fast electric scooters hit the market. So let's see what it can do. Subscribe and let's ride. We're seeing some footage of Sophia ride the Rion. We borrowed it for the day from Last Mile in San Francisco and took it out on our weekly Basegate group ride. This scooter isn't for everyone, but it could be for you if you're looking for extreme performance with zero bells and whistles. Let's look at some of the specs of this super scooter. We tested the dual motor version running at 80 volts and 12,800 watts of peak power. This has dual geared hub motors, and you can customize the gear ratio when ordering the scooter. The Super Sport version is even faster, running at 100 volts and a rumored top end of 80 miles per hour or more than 120 kilometers per hour. It sports custom racing slicks made in Italy. It's definitely not made for off-roading or riding in wet conditions. For the dual disc brakes, it has Shimano XTR 4-piston hydraulics, allowing for powerful braking with a single finger. It seems like it did not have regenerative motor braking. The battery leaves something to be desired for all-day players, as a 21 amp hour battery won't let you race all day long. Though it did come with a 5 amp charger, which is faster than what most scooters come with. This would let you recover battery quickly when stopping to charge. The carbon fiber handlebars, stem, and deck are all lightweight and beautiful. The entire scooter only weighs 49 pounds or 22 kilograms, which is amazing for a scooter of this caliber. A connected phone application will allow riders to connect to the scooter to change settings and view full telemetry. As for some improvements I'd personally like to see in the scooter, basically just boil down to bells and whistles, which might not do much for racing, but would make it more enjoyable for everyday cruising. I'd request some tuning to the acceleration curve. It seems like there was some dead space in the throttle, and the acceleration was either all or nothing at times. A way to tone down the throttle at will might be nice for more smooth takeoffs when you're not racing. Some people would like to see a kickstand, but we did manage the day without one, leaning the handlebars against surfaces. It does come with a nice display stand, but it's not easy to use as you have to lift the rear tire to prop it up. Finally, better waterproofing would be nice in case we happen to run over puddles. I think in the current state, a small amount of water could easily enter the scooter deck. Now check out the sound of the scooter when it's accelerating. It's pretty awesome. So we just finished a little ride along with the Rion electric scooter, and it was a lot of fun. The thing seems like it has a lot of power. It's certainly a beautiful scooter, definitely one of the prettiest scooters I've ever seen in my life. I think the main question that everybody is gonna wanna know the answer to though is it faster than a Dualtron? Is it faster than a Dualtron Thunder, for example? And the answer to that is, I'm just not sure. The model we had felt about the same as a Dualtron Thunder, but apparently that model was limited. So I don't know how much the speed was really limited or if it just wasn't as powerful as the Super Sport models. So hopefully in the future we get sent the Super Sport model as a demo unit, because then we can really test it out and see how it compares. On paper, the Super Sport model is a lot faster than Dualtron's, supposedly going up to 80 miles an hour. That would be amazing to be able to do that. I wouldn't probably ever get it up that fast, but it would be amazing to be able to have that power. So hopefully we get a chance to find out more about these scooters in the future, get to go on some more rides with them. That's all we got for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Subscribe and let's ride. Peace out.